Hey yo, all today I found how to get 3A cloud gaming in every iOS and Android device. So follow me and I will show you how to get it step by step in your device. But first of all, let me delete it from my device just to show you that everything is a legit app. And now what you need to do, guys, is to go in this website that is called infinitymode.com. In the search bar you can search for the 3A cloud game. There it is. Tap get it and download. Here you need to choose between two platforms, iOS and Android, and I will go with iOS. The downloads will start immediately because I previously completed two tasks, so now I don't need to do anymore because it is recognized by the system that I've completed previously. Continue, allow. So the download that started, and now what you need to do, guys, is just wait in the home screen till the injection and the download is performed on your device, and they depend on your connection speed and device operating system. So let's wait a little bit till everything is completed and I will show you. And there it is. So I'm going to launch it, and as you can see, the 3A cloud gaming is installed in my device. So thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.